let's look at the Bank Nifty's performance as on the 4th of June 2018. Today, Bank Nifty fell by 1.63%, and this was mostly due to the announcement of the RBI policy in the next couple of days, mostly 2 days. And out of the 12 stocks in Bank Nifty, 9 declined and only 3 advanced. So this is a clear bearish signal for the Bank Nifty index. In the stock counters, Yes Bank closed with a 0.88 gain, and most of the stocks fell, and today's top losing stocks are the IDFC Bank with a 4.17% loss. Bank of Baroda is second with 3.65%, and then HDFC Bank also in that counter. So we now need to analyze the option chain data to figure out where the Bank Nifty is headed. Is it going to fall further down, or will it find support? So let's do a Bank Nifty option chain analysis for the 5th of June 2018. Now, this is a weekly expiry option data. The options will expire on the 7th of June, which is this Thursday. Since Bank Nifty closed at a price of 26,260, I assume, the at-the-money options are in the range of 26,200 to 26,300. Now, if we look at the call side of the data, it is a bit surprising. The Bank Nifty fell by almost 1.69% today. And what surprises us is that even though it fell, we see a huge amount of open interest added in the call side of the data in the higher strikes. So let's take the example of 27,000. 27,000 has an open interest as of today of 15 lakhs, and the change in open interest is of 6,44,000. So this is an important strike. This suggests that Bank Nifty, as per this expiry, which is on the 7th of June, might or rather will find a very strong resistance at the 27,000 zone. And if we look at the strikes below the 27,000 zone, like 26,900, here the open interest is of 6 lakhs and the change in open interest is of 6 lakhs 50,000. Again, a bullish sign. If we look at the 26,800, we see similar situations. 4,61,000 in open interest, 2,21,000 in change in open interest. Again, a bullish sign. 26,700 strike, we see the same situation, open interest of 4,89,000 and change in open interest of 3,38,000. So all these are suggesting that the resistance is moving upwards. The second highest open interest which we saw in the call side after the 27,000 strike was at the strike of 26,500. Here the open interest is of 6,50,000 and the change in open interest is of 4 lakhs. So this might act as a very small resistance zone, and if good news is triggered in the market, then this will be broken quite easily and the market would head towards the 27,000 zone. Now let's look at the put side of the data. The put side of the data again shows something similar to the call side. The highest open interest on the put side, even after falling so much, was only seen at the 26,000 strike of 6,98,000. And the change in open interest was very small, only 21,400. So this is suggesting that the support for the Bank Nifty has shifted upwards towards this strike, which is 26,000. And the investors are confident that by this week's expiry, which is on the 7th of June, the Bank Nifty will not fall below the 26,000 zone. So now let's look at the lower strikes, see what's the story with that. We see another high open interest at the 25,500 strike. here the open interest is of 3,18,000 and the change in open interest is of 1 lakh. So this is another possible support zone. If the 26,000 zone is broken due to a huge volume or a huge negative sentiment, only then can we move towards the 25,500 zone. But I am betting on the 26,000 zone to act as a pretty good resistance for the market unless a bad news follows. So let's mark the heroes for the trading sessions for the 5th of June. As per the data, what I can see, I believe that 27,000 will act as a huge resistance for the market. This is achieved only if a very good news comes into the market. If the market doesn't react to any news or it consolidates, the range of the Bank Nifty would be somewhere between 26,500 to 26,000. So the heroes for the trade as per the open interest is the 26,000 strike and the 27,000 strike. And this is the side pick, the 26,500, because if let's say the Bank Nifty, the RBI doesn't announce a policy by tomorrow, the Bank Nifty will consolidate between this range.